Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cover photo for a Facebook business page. If this is your first time here and you'd like to learn all about social media, apps, and programs, then take knowledge now by subscribing and hitting the bell. So go ahead and open up Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in, likely you will be, and you'll be on the Home tab. From the Home tab, you want to go all the way to the top right-hand side of the screen where you see those three horizontal lines. Click on that menu. That will open up this page where you can see your Facebook business page directly underneath your profile name. Mine is called Learnerpreneur at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on your business page. That will open up a view where you can edit your business page. To edit and add a new cover photo for your Facebook business page, just go ahead and click on the cover photo area. That will bring up this menu that says either View Photo or Edit Cover Area. Go ahead and click on Edit Cover Area. Now you can go ahead and add photos, or you can use some of the photos that you already have. I have two uploaded. If I want to add a new one, click on the plus sign, and I can choose photos from my page photos or from my camera roll. You can also trash the photos that you have and crop with the two icons underneath the photo selected. Now the dimensions for a Facebook cover photo on PC are 8020 by 312 pixels. On a mobile, it is 640 by 360 pixels. So you may see that there are different dimensions for different browsing techniques. However, the best fit to keep everything not blurry on your Facebook business page cover photo is 8020 by 360 pixels. So go ahead, if you don't have one already uploaded, choose a photo from your camera or your page photos that meets those dimensions and you'll be all set. You can also make one on Canva, and you can make one on my personal favorite, Photopea. I'll leave a couple links in the description for you. When you're all done with your changes, just hit the back arrows in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then after you're done with that, click on the Home tab, top left-hand side of the screen. That will bring you home, and you are all set. I hope this video helped you out on how to make a cover photo for a Facebook business page. If it did, smash subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.